Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear students, in this lecture, we are going to observe what is synapse. So, synapse is the point of contact between terminal branches of axon and dendrites of adjacent neuron is called synapse. Synapse is a point of contact between terminal branches of axon and dendrites of adjacent neuron. To understand this, let us observe the diagram here. So in this diagram you are observing there are number of neurons, first, second and third neuron. And here in previous video also we have studied that one neuron is connected to the other neuron through two major portions. To discuss that before, first of all, I would like to discuss with you the structure of neuron once again. In the structure of neuron, we have observed there is a dendrite and then there is a dendron, and this dendron, it is connected with the main body, that is known as cell body, or it is also known as cyton. And the longest extension from this cell body was termed as axon, and this axon, it was covered with the sheath or a covering that is known as myelin sheath, and this axon finally ends into terminal branches again, and at the end you have observed there was a synaptic knob. And again the second neuron, if we observe, this synaptic knob of terminal branch of axon, it is connected with the dendrite of the second neuron. Similarly, if you observe the second neuron, you can see here that terminal branch of axon and its synaptic knob, it is connected with the dendrite of the third neuron. So this indicates that the message from first neuron to second neuron and second neuron to third neuron and so on will be same in a same process, such as the message will transfer from synaptic knob to the dendrites of the adjacent neuron. So this point of contact between terminal branches of first neuron with the dendrites of the adjacent neuron is known as synapse. So here the nerve impulse from axon of one neuron to the dendrites of next neuron passes through the synapse as a chemical message. So to understand this, how the message is transferred, how the impulse is transferred from one neuron to next neuron in the form of chemical message, we will concentrate on the figure 7.2 which is given on page number 74. So to understand this, you are observing here, this is the terminal knob of axon. So this is the terminal knob of axon, or you can say it is a synaptic knob. As we have observed here, the terminal branches of axon, they end into the synaptic knob. So this is the synaptic knob, and here you are observing circular structures. These circular structures, they are basically known as vesicles, and these vesicles, they are filled with chemicals, and these chemicals are released into the space between axon of first neuron and the dendrite of the second neuron, that is known as synaptic cleft. So the chemicals which are found in the circular structures, which are known as vesicles, they will be released from the vesicles into the synaptic cleft, into the space between these 2 points. Then this message, this chemical will be received by the receptors here. So this chemical will be received by the receptors, and finally they will pass through these channels which are you are observing here. There is a space. Through this channel it will pass into the dendrite, and so on. That message will be transferred from terminal branch of axon and dendrite of another neuron. So this is known as synapse. So that's all for today. Take care everyone.